it's Tater on YouTube, man. Make sure y'all boy get that boy to a K. He almost there. He like 200 subs away. So make sure y'all boys sub to the channel and like the channel, man. But like I said, I got the cap for the whole day, man. And it's only right for me to bring y'all with me, man. So a day in the life of owning a Hellcat for a whole day, man. So I gave him the scat. He gave me the cat. So I feel like that's an even exchange. If you know, you know. So yeah, man. I'm going to just take y'all boy with me. And that's about it. Alright, y'all boy. So we got the cat for the day, man. So we're going to bring y'all boy with us. Day in the life, you know what I'm saying? Driving the Hellcat, man. Let them boy know, man. What setting you in? We in sport right now. You can put in custom. The owner don't really like it in track, so we, you know, so we're gonna respect him at the end of the day. So we're just gonna put it in sport. Probably gonna drive and go get some breakfast or something. Something to eat. I ain't gonna lie, but this thing shift aggressive, man. I ain't gonna lie with you. I ain't gonna lie, that thing do shift aggressive, man. That's not no regular Hellcat, man. Wine on this thing crazy, y'all boy. Like, look, bro. That boy. Let that boy hit that thing. Let's get a Mercedes. And my boy got the stars in the ceiling. You can see that thing in the daytime. Hey, man, if y'all boy want stars in your headliner, man, just let us know. Because we do it, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy tap in, man. Y'all see the Instagram, man. If y'all want the stars done, tap in with it with some youngins, man. But yeah, man. Big SRT. I feel like that's gonna be a good video, man, y'all boy. As you can see, we got the red key. Like, who y'all know giving the red key to your friend or something like that? Like, that's how much trust our boy got in us, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, if your homeboy give you the red key of his Hellcat, you lock in, man. Would you think so, Jay? Hey, man. It's about a trust. It's about enough trust and, you know what I'm saying, content, man. We all trying to do this YouTube. Now, we all ain't trying to do the YouTube. We all gonna do this YouTube stuff, man. We're gonna take off and put Carolina on the map, for sure. For sure, for sure. Bro, like, I ain't gonna lie, it don't want me to do the speed limit. You know, I don't know. Like, I want to keep on hearing the whine, the supercharger. So the whine addictive. I want to hear that, yeah. And the only way you'll hear that is like if you like accelerating for real, for real. You barely put your foot on the gas. Wait, let me crack the window a little bit. Cause y'all barely, but y'all gonna hear it now. Watch this. One more time for the downshift. One time. But these downshift, like, I ain't gonna lie, man. Like, these downshift crazy, bro. Like, owning a Hellcat, bro. Like, a Hellcat for the whole day, like, that's crazy, man. So we at Chick-fil-A right now. You know what I'm saying? What's up, man?
Alright, what was the name for this order today?
Jay.
Jay, what would you like today?
I think breakfast still going on.
Oh,
so,
yes, sir.
So let me get a 10 count mini. 10
boxes.
Yeah, then that'll be it. You want something?
All right. Anything else?
I'm scared. I got the Chick-fil-A app on.
Chick-fil-A app? Alright.
Yeah.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, what will be the YouTube name, man?
It's Tater, man. It's Tater or Hemi Twins. You know, it ain't matter.
Alright, got it. Anything else for you?
Nah.
Any sauces?
Nah.
Huh?
I say make sure you sub to the YouTube.
Yeah, I will,
Check us out.
I just gotta hear.
Alright, yeah, I got you. Alright, y'all boys, we just got the Chick-fil-A, man. Yo, boy, y'all think that vet wants something? I don't know if y'all can see the vet from here, man, but I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A on that boy. So you think you taking the vet? Bro, we in a cat. What are you talking about? And I said, hey, big SRT, man. I said, I'm gonna mess up our bread in there, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy want something?
So whatever you do, they gon' blame me for it. Yeah, need report. Fully auto, he died in the shootout, even though he started.
We had a Hellcat for the whole day. Hopefully, y'all enjoy videos like this, man. That's something new, man. So let us know in the comment section below how this video is, and do y'all want to see more videos like this, man? Yeah, man. We about to go back home and get this video out so y'all both can see, man, and edit it, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, road to 10K, man. We less than 1,000 subs away. Y'all boy, man, get us to that 10K, man. I'm telling y'all, boy, we appreciate the love and support, man, that we've been getting lately, man. And just all over, man. Hashtag 10K in the comment section. We will be doing a giveaway when we hit 10K, so y'all boys stick around for that. And yeah, we're gonna show y'all boys some love and give back, man. It's only right, man. Y'all boy got us to 10K, and it's only right to show y'all boys some love, man. It's only right. So yeah, like I said, get this video to at least 30+ likes if y'all want to see more videos like this. Bless you. Appreciate it. And yeah, man, you already know, man, it's the Hemi Twins, and we out.